Next topic is the Tefillah HaDerech. So it's Tefillah HaDerech. It's a prayer when you do before you travel, right? It's should be in your siddur. Okay, so let's see the obligation. The Gemara tells us that one who travels a considerable distance must say Tefillah HaDerech. Okay, so Tefillah is a prayer. Derech is a way, road, right? Then the distance is parasa. So what they ask, what is the considerable distance? Parasa. Parasa is equivalent to 8,000 amos. Okay. Opinions vary as to the size of the amma. So okay. So let's finish. And therefore, equivalent measurement of parasa differs accordingly. In practice, parasa is said approximately 2.5 miles. So it's pretty long distance. I mean, if you walk, if you going in a car, it's not so much, right? So amma is the elbow. So we usually count when we do calculation in this class. So we count a little less than 2 feet. But sometimes for simplicity we just add 2 feet, right? To approximate, right? So here we're talking about 8,000 amos, 2.5 miles. Okay. Halachic distance. When the Gemara refers to travel in a parasa, it means one travels the distance out of the city. It is only then that we presume the probability of danger and required supplication for safety. Some poskim maintain that one who drives 2.5 miles on a winding highway, but still within the parasa, from the outskirts of the city, should say Tefillah HaDerech. So let's stop here and try to understand. So this 2.5 miles, right? It's only when you drive beyond the city. So technically, if you have a big city, for example, or some city like going like they're so close. You drive in one city, main street in this town, and now maybe main street it's already different town, right? So of course it's considered to be halachically one city. It's only when you go beyond the city limit officially. So there is no houses there. It's like fields and stuff like that, or woods, right? That's why when what we call beyond the city limit, right? Or for example, somebody was asking me in an airport. We're going to cover airport. Oh yeah, during the air travel. Okay, so we're going to leave it for later. But so I explained this person. So this person did not realize. So airports are usually they in a city limit, right? They inside of the city. But when you fly off, that's when you're going out of the city limit. But when you're still in the airport, there is no reason to say, right? You're still in the city. So, okay. So one more time, it's outside of the city limit. So then it is some kind of danger. But if in a big city you can drive in, I don't know, maybe an hour, more than an hour, and still you don't need to say any blessings. Okay.